We still don't know where the case of Brian Keeley versus the state will be heard after arguments were made today in federal courtrooms to move this high-profile case out of the state courts.
News 8's Megan Bunchman was in Lansing for the arguments and has more on this story.
Today's hearing at this federal courthouse in Lansing was not about whether or not Keeley is guilty of his alleged crimes, but it is more about if his case should be heard at a federal level instead of a state. Keeley is facing charges stemming from the death of Samuel Sterling, who was running from local police in a federal task force back on April 17th. Video shows the moment that Keeley's unmarked vehicle hit Sterling and pinned him between the car and a building. Today, the defense argued before a federal judge that Keeley was acting as part of a federal task force operated by the U.S. Marshal's Office. Because of his dually sworn duties and his job that day to assist with the Marshals, Keeley should face charges in a federal court, while the prosecution maintains Keeley was never an employee of the U.S. Marshals Service, and his paychecks, vacation requests, even his work evaluations all came from MSP, thus proving Keeley was operating as a state employee at the time of the incident. In the meantime, Kentwood Judge Amanda Sturkenberg is expected to make a ruling tomorrow, but that decision could be moot if Judge Harla Jorbu rules in favor of the defense's argument today. Now, the judge did not make a decision yet on whether she will adhere to that motion of removal and move this case to a federal court, but she's expected to do so in the next couple of days. In Lansing, I'm Megan Bunchman, News 8.